This is an important update to all Poppo user. If you don't know, this is the amount I have on Poppo right now, 100 and something USDT that you're seeing on my screen. And why am I doing this update? I'm doing this update because a lot of you guys joined Poppo from my platform personally. And apart from that, Poppo is one of the videos that actually went viral on my channel. Poppo is one of the videos that gave me that beautiful visibility as at that time where my channel was going nowhere. So even if I do not need to cash out, I will also be cashing out because of Poppo videos, which is that time, and I'd also be cashing out on Poppo as well. And that's why I'm doing this important update. When Poppo came into display, a lot of people were so excited. People like us, we are so excited because at the end of the day, we get to make, even if it's 10 USDT, 20, 30, and up to even 108,000 USDT directly from Poppo. And that was why it was so much pleasure to me to share Poppo to my audience, my community, and I even have to show them different games, how they can be able to gamble, how they can be able to do different type of thing on Poppo to be able to bring coins on their table. And I'm happy that some of this community till now, they are still doing Poppo and they are still strong. But if any update comes up on Poppo and I'm not telling you guys, a lot of you guys will be behind the scene. So I've gotten a lot of comments from my video I did on how to use the lucky wheel number, because how to play the lucky wheel game and win, because that particular video has actually gotten over 50 something or 60 something thousand views. So I got some comments like, what is happening on Poppo? I can't be able to get my coins from Poppo. I can't be able to do this, I can't be able to do that. And here am I today sharing you guys the important update on Poppo. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. So right now, if you guys don't know, Poppo came with a whole lot between the month of November to this December. Only God knows what they will be coming with, which is the month of January, okay? But the good part is this, are people still making money on Poppo? Yes, people are still making money on Poppo, and people will continue to make money on Poppo, which simply means you will also continue to make money on Poppo if only you watch this video from beginning to the end. So the first important update on Poppo right now is you can no longer receive your coins, okay? You can no longer receive your crown seed coins, which is the 800 crown seed coins. Some persons can still receive as at this time, because I remember when I did that video on I did it on my other Sony Onaja's channel, and someone said, that she still received it. Yes, some person can still receive because they're trying to roll out these. I don't know if they're trying to test run something or they're not trying to test run, but if you find out that you can no longer receive your crown seed tax on Poppo, this is what Poppo say. Poppo said before you can be able to receive your crown seed tax on Poppo, you have to do what? Have like 800 coins as well. So because you're receiving 800 coins from the crown seat, you have to do what? Get like 800 coins if people don't gamble on you, if people don't drop on you, before you can actually receive this. You guys remember that initially when Poppo started, for you to get a crown seat coins was 2,000 coins. Later it dropped to like 1,800. Later it now dropped to 800, and you have to do, even if you're doing the 2 hours crown seat tax, you're going to be getting 800 coins. And if you don't know, for you to get $1 on Poppo, you need what? 10,000 coins for you to get $1. That's why you're seeing that with this my screenshot that you're seeing here, over 1.something million coins for me to be able to make over $100. And are people still making it on Poppo? Yes, if you still go to Poppo's live stream as is displaying here, you see that a lot of people are still live streaming, a lot of people are still wasting strong on Poppo, and this is one of the secrets. So now the most trending things that is happening on Poppo now, if you want to really make money now, is to do what? Sell coins, or get where you can get coins at a cheaper rate. When I mean 100% cheaper rate, so that at the end of the day, if you get these coins now, is either you are gambling with the coins or you're playing game, or you are a coin seller. So a lot of people that are doing coin selling job on Poppo, they are really making money. In my next video, I'll be talking about how you can buy coins directly. I'll be showing you the platform and every other stuff, okay? But right now, where can you get these cheap coins? Which brings me to this particular platform that I want to actually introduce to you, which is called Cocodp. Cocodp is actually a website that is designed for you to buy coins at the cheapest rate. When I mean cheapest rate, like 100% cheapest rate to me, compared to the coins that I've been buying from Poppo agents, and the coins that I've been buying right now from Cocodp, or the coins that I've been buying directly from Poppo app, is a whole lot of different. So these coins, this Cocodp is designed for you to do what? Get coins at a cheaper rate. even if you're on Poppo, even if you're on Bigo, even if you're on Star Maker, even if you're on Migo, like depending on the live stream that you are, you can buy coins. But you guys know, as always, I will focus on Poppo directly because Poppo is what brought everybody in. Now let's go ahead. Let me start my screen record and show you where you can get these coins. And after that, I'm also going to show you in my next video how to sell these coins and then how to make profit out of these coins. So let me start my screen record. So right now my screen record is all started, and if you click on the link in the description or the link that is pinned in the comment section, it's going to take you to this interface, which is the Cocodp for players interface, exactly as you're seeing on my screen. And for the Cocodp players, you can see it here. All you need to do first is to go to this country end and choose your country. They have different countries here: Colombia, Indonesia, Singapore, Kenya, Brazil. Like, there's a lot of countries here. And for those ones that are not in Nigeria, if you've been watching my videos that I've been doing on Cocodp, I will tell you that if you are not in Nigeria, all you need to do is to find a particular country that you have your friends and family. Then all you need to do is to give them your ID and they can be able to buy coins for you without you having any issue. Okay, so after choosing your country, for my own country, I'll go ahead and choose Kenya, which is why Kenya is here, because I have a friend in Kenya that is always buying coins for me. So the next thing that you're going to do is to go ahead and click on this human head so that you can do what? You can register if you have not registered, or log in with your mail, because it is definitely going to be requested. So I'll just do that quickly now. So this is me logging in with my mail, and once my mail is done log in, I am definitely going. So right now my mail have successfully logged in. I've successfully logged in. That's why you're seeing my picture over there instead of the normal head that you're going to be seeing. So go and do the same. It is not difficult at all. Then the next thing for you to do is to scroll down. Okay, if you scroll down, like I said, you're going to be seeing Bigo Live, Imo, Star Maker, Miko, Up Life. There are a lot here. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on what? Poppo Live, because we are talking about Poppo Live in this particular video. So if you click on Poppo Live, it is going to load up like this, and once it's loading up like this, it is going to show you their coins packages. You can see there are different packages here that they have for you. You can see 70,000 coins plus 13,000 coins, 21,000 coins, or 210,000 coins plus 42,000 coins. It simply means that any coins you're buying, if you're buying this 70, for example, they are going to be giving like extra 13,000 coins. You understand? Now, if you click on that one, just the way I clicked, you can see right now it is going to show you how do you want to pay in. Is it coin conny? I think people in Kenya will understand this well. Or you want to use mobile money. So you're going to choose the one you're going to use. So if it's mobile money that you want to use, you are going to see the amounts that is going to put out for you in the Kenyan shillings, okay, which is 1,441 Kenya shillings. Okay, so what you need to do now, as someone that is in Nigeria that Cocodp is not in their country, or someone that is in that country that Cocodp is not yet there, is for you to go ahead and calculate this money in Naira and then send it to your friend, your brother, your sister in Kenya, so that they can be able to buy these coins for you. Now you can see that automatically my email is there already, which is the fill in your email address. My email is there already. The next thing now you need to do is to make sure you read all of this. You know that a lot of people don't like reading rules and regulations, but make sure you read all of these things if you are buying directly for yourself, okay? And then the next thing now you're going to go ahead and do is to click on buy now. So if you click on buy now, it is going to show you to fill in your ID. This UID is showing you is your Coco ID, ID that you have, okay? So you are going to go ahead and fill in your Poppo ID. Sorry, Poppo ID, not Coco ID. And for my own ID, it is 34722. 34, okay? So if this is my ID, this is exactly what you're going to be filling in if it is your own ID. So if you're not the one buying for yourself, you can go ahead and give it to your sister, your siblings, your friends, anywhere that you are within the countries that you know that Cocodp is available. And then as simple as ABCD, once they buy these coins for you, okay? Once they click on buy now and buy these coins for you, these coins will be credited to your to your Poppo account immediately, okay? It will be credited to that place, and once it's credited to that place, it simply means you have a coin. Now, what will you do with this coin? You're going to gamble with this coin. Let me stop this screen record. You're going to do what? Gamble with this coin. You're going to play games with these coins, because these are things that will actually give you money. Now, these are things that will enable you to cash out faster, or you are going to be selling these coins. Like I said, if you're interested in selling coins, in my next video, I'm going to be saying exactly how you can buy and sell coins and how you can get people to come and buy for you. So watch out for that particular video. So now, if you also go ahead to click on the link that is in the comment section or in the description box, you're going to be seeing Cocodp Facebook page, where you're going to follow their Facebook page. They have a lot of tasks that you can perform there. When I mean a lot, simple tasks that you can perform there. Tasks are like posts, create posts, do this, share posts, and at the end of the day, you are going to win a lot of cash prizes. Okay, you're not only going to win a lot of cash prizes, you can win $20, $9, like depending on the activity that they are doing. So like this is Christmas right now. If you scroll like this, you're going to see like different packages here. Okay, these are different packages that they do. If there are events, they are going to be putting out these events in their Facebook page. Okay, and once they put out those events in their Facebook page, you go ahead to check those events, and then you're going to use those events and make money. So even if you have not bought coins on Poppo, you can still join these events using their Facebook link and still get something for yourself. And some of the events can also give you like percentage of, you can see this one that is here, you understand? So there's a lot of benefit for you to benefit using Cocodp, not just by buying coins alone, you understand? So if you want to really take your Poppo live stream journey serious and start making money the way a lot of people are making money, this is an opportunity for you to use Cocodp to be able to stand out and start making money. In as much as you're doing that, you continue to go live as well on Poppo, and trust me, you are definitely going to be making money, and you will call me and thank me later. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And you know, if you have not joined Poppo and this is the first time you're hearing about Poppo, what you need to do is to check the link as well in my description box. My Poppo link is there where you can join, and let me know that you have joined so that we can join hands together so that you can start making money. At least, at all, start cashing out $100, $200, $300 on Poppo. It's not going to be a big deal. A lot of people are doing it, and you can also do this. Anyways, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.